Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. It is Saturday. Hope everyone had a good weekend so far. Everybody is safe, staying warm. We are chilly on this side of town now. It is winter here. Got another special Amazon unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. Link is going to be down below. Add it to your wish list. We got Christmas around the corner. Santa Claus will be coming pretty soon. So definitely give them a try. Check these guys out. I don't know what I do with my scissors. Ah, there we go. You don't need them. Oh boy. Is this a pillow? What is this? What do we have here? Alright. Kind of looks like a pillow. There's a zipper. Oh boy, oh boy. It's a mystery. I got a zipper. Alright. Got something else in there. Uh-oh. Got some fur. Boots with the fur. Who remembers that song? Is this a blanket? What is this? Oh, it's a coat. Whoa. This is coming from... I can't read it. There we go. WenVen. Top standard quality. Alright, let's take a look at this thing. So definitely check them out if you guys need a winter jacket. Whoa. This is nice. Got the puffer style. What is it? Button here. Button zipper. Oh, this is nice. Some deep pockets. So like I said, another Christmas gift idea. Especially now if you guys are at like East Coast like I am. It is winter. And sure got cold though. Really fast. But no snow. We had snow a little bit. Tuesday or Wednesday. And it just stuck on the ground. But nothing too serious yet. So, but it should be coming soon. And all you, I think this is a woman's, yeah, this is a woman's jacket, so all you ladies stay warm. You might want to check this guy's out. There we go. Here's the inside, what it looks like. Hey, we got long sleeves. There we go. We got a detachable hoodie. So this, you can zip it right there. There's a zipper right there. It's a nice jacket. But I need a men's size for me. So hopefully they got some men's styles. I'm going to have to take a look and maybe do a review for them on those. But yeah, these are deep pockets. Put your ID, your phone, wallet, makeup, whatever else you guys put in there. Car keys. Deep pockets. Check out. She got a hook. Got some deep. Yeah, I don't wear this, so this is not for me. But check them out. There we go. Hold on one second. Let me lay it down somewhere else. Okay. We got it all right here. Kind of looks like blue in it, but it's black. Nice black winter coat. Got the puffer going action here. There's that. Like I said, the hood is, you could take it off if you don't want to wear them. But zipper right here. See, that's nice. There you go. It looks purple though in the light. Deep pockets, fluffy jacket. So definitely YouTubers, check these guys out. They'll be, especially with the Black Friday sales and Cyber Monday, this is the time to get the winter jackets. I do believe they have kids and men. So there you go. Alright, YouTubers, have a good weekend. Stay warm. See you soon.